Hi, I'm Bradley, and I go to Beehive Science and Technology Academy. Today, I'm going to be showing you my STEM science fair project called Yeast in Action. Let's get started. These are the materials that we are going to be using today. A 16-ounce bottle, a measuring cup that goes up to 8 ounces or a cup. We're also going to be using warm water, a tablespoon, sugar, a funnel, balloons, and last of all, active dry yeast. Let's get started on our experiment. So basically, I've already measured out everything that we're going to need. This is 2 tablespoons of yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I also have my warm water and this balloon. When you get your balloon, you're going to want to blow it up a few times. I've already done that, but you want to be able to make sure that it's elastic and stretchy so that it can expand. Also, then you're going to want to get your bottle and take the cap off and put it to the side because you're going to want to keep it. You're going to need it later. We're going to take our funnel, put it in the bottle, and pour our dry ingredients in first. And the reason we are using sugar is because sugar is acting as almost like a food for the yeast to eat so that it can produce carbon dioxide. Next, we're going to get our warm water. I don't really need the funnel for this, I think, whatever. And now, we're going to put the cap back on, make sure it's on tight, and shake it until everything dissolves, or most of everything dissolves. So I've been shaking my bottle for a while now. About 2 minutes should do it. And what you're going to want to do is quickly take off the cap. It'll do that because carbon dioxide is being produced. And quickly stretch your balloon over the top of the bottle, making sure that it's on tight so nothing can escape. This part is kind of difficult, but if you get it on, it should work. So now we're just going to leave this for a few minutes and let everything work, and I'll be back. It's been about 5 minutes since I left, and I kind of had to put my balloon back on because I didn't put it on tight enough. So if you're going to do this experiment, make sure that it kind of goes underneath the lip of the bottle instead of staying on the top. What's happened so far is the chemical reaction has started to occur. The yeast has started to gain energy from the sugar, so it's releasing carbon dioxide, which is filling up the balloon. And I'll check back in a few minutes to see if there's any change. It's been about 10 minutes since I last checked in. As you can see, the balloon has grown. It was standing upright, but it got too full. So, the yeast has grown and expanded, and it kind of almost got into the balloon. So I think it's done now. I'm just going to take the balloon off the bottle. See if I can. So, I'm going to get this to the sink now, because it seems like it's exploding. So, thank you for watching my STEM Science Fair project. I hope you try it yourself.